Welcome to Hivemind, a truly on-chain polling game. The way you play is you respond to a simple poll and guess what you think the most popular response from the crowd will be. Earn points by correctly guessing what the crowd will choose. This game is designed to be run entirely on-chain with some help from Chainlink VRF for randomness and keepers to keep the game progressing. Something we love about on-chain games is the front end can be completely customized or modded without affecting the underlying game. This means that anyone can create a great user interface by connecting to the contracts. And we've made it even easier by reducing all of the interactions a front end might need into one contract. So the complexity and interactions of all the other contracts that make up this game can be managed from this one central game controller. So let's take a look at a demo interface we made for the game. It's a React app that listens to events from the contract and updates the state based on the current state of the game. Now we're going to speed up some of this footage so you're not waiting on all the transactions to complete in real time. And you'll notice we have two different browsers open, each connected to a different MetaMask account. This game can support many players, but for this example we're just going to play a game with two people. Games automatically start when a certain group size is met or after a time limit has passed since the second player entered, which is managed with the help of a Chainlink keeper. Since we only have two players today, we'll be utilizing that countdown feature. So here we just set a timer for 5 minutes and we will see what happens after that. And 5 minutes is up, so let's go check the keeper and see what updates are happening there. And if we look on there, we'll see there was an update from the last game. There should be something new coming in since we just started a new game. So let's refresh and see if anything came in. And there we go. It just performed a new upkeep at 1820, which entered players in the game and also requested a random number from Chainlink's VRF. Once that random number is returned, the keeper will use that to load a poll question associated with the current round. There we go. We have a pending random request here, so as soon as that comes in, there will be an event emitted that lets us know a new round has started. It's in. Let's play. Now, because we don't want anyone to cheat and check the contracts for which answers will be winners, we use a secret passphrase to encode our information. And a quick note, this is not your wallet's secret phrase. This is something you should come up with off the top of your head. When you submit your answer and guess what the crowd will pick, that information is combined with your secret phrase into a hash which cannot be deciphered without it. We can securely store this information on chain. Once all of the responses are in, we will need to submit that same information and passphrase in order to reveal our choices on chain. On submitting this second time, the information will be hashed again and compared to the original submission hash. And if they match, the responses are stored publicly on chain and used to calculate the round winners. We're revealing now, and once everyone has revealed, a new random number is requested. And on delivery, we will be able to move into the next round. We can see the results of the previous round, what we guessed, what the crowd guessed, and our current score. This game is played in the same way for a total of 4 rounds, and the secret passphrase can be reset at the beginning of any round. After the completion of 4 rounds, the players are informed of their finishing position, and if any tokens are up for stake, that prize pool gets split up between the top players. We can see the player on the left came in first place with a score of 12,992, and the player on the right in second with 10,052. We didn't require an entry fee for this demo, but that can be set on the contract, and those fees would be entered into the prize pool for that game. Since there's nothing to be claimed here, clicking this just brings us back to the lobby where we can start another game if we want. Now let's take a quick look back at the keeper to see what's been happening throughout this game. And here it looks like there have been a number of upkeeps performed, each progressing the game to the next level and setting up the game state at each round. That's Hivemind. Thanks for taking the time to check it out. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this project as much as we've enjoyed making it.